In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a shared calendar in Microsoft Teams. A shared calendar is a great way to help everyone stay aligned, especially when your team needs one central place to track meetings, deadlines, and upcoming events. In Microsoft Teams, there are a couple of straightforward ways to do this depending on how your team works. First, let's look at using a channel calendar. Start by opening Microsoft Teams on your computer. From the left-hand menu, select Teams, then choose the team where you want the shared calendar to live. After that, open the specific channel where you want people to access it. At the top of the channel, click the plus button to add a new tab. In the search area, type Channel Calendar, then select Channel Calendar from the results. If Teams asks you to give the calendar a name, enter one that clearly describes its purpose, so everyone can recognize it easily. Then click Save or Add to finish. Once that's done, the calendar will appear as a tab inside the channel, and team members can start using it to view and coordinate scheduled events together. Now let's go over another option, which is sharing an Outlook calendar through Teams. This is useful if you need more advanced sharing controls. Open Microsoft Teams and go to the Calendar section. From there, create or open the calendar you want to share. Add the people who need access, then choose the permission level for each person. For example, you might allow someone to view the calendar only or give them permission to edit it. When everything looks right, save the sharing settings. After that, team members will be able to access the shared calendar based on the permissions you assigned. Once your shared calendar is ready, you can start adding meetings to it. Open the shared calendar or the channel calendar, then select the date and time for the event. Enter the meeting title, add the required participants, and include a description or agenda so everyone knows what the meeting is about. Set the meeting date and time carefully, then click Save or Send. That's all it takes to create and use a shared calendar in Microsoft Teams. If you name your calendar clearly and keep meeting details organized, it becomes much easier for everyone to stay informed and on schedule.